What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are ya? I don't think I'm doing it right. Just forget it. I was trying to copy Jeffree Star, but I'm not as cool. But today I'm like doing everything Jeffree Star because I'm gonna share with you guys a new collection with Shane. The Shane and Jeffree Star Cosmetics Conspiracy. That's what it's called, right? I have been looking forward to this collection for a few months now. If you guys don't know, they did like a documentary series on Shane Dawson's channel, and it was like all about business and stuff. It was all about Jeffree Star Cosmetics and just like behind the scenes and stuff. And before you guys come at me, I haven't been watching Shane for that long, probably a little more than a year. So I'm not like an OG since the beginning fan, but I have been watching Jeffree Star since the beginning, and I love his makeup. It is a little bit expensive, so I don't have a lot of it. Oh yeah, so I'm gonna be doing my makeup today. I already did my face, but I'm gonna be doing my eyeshadow. So if you guys are interested, just keep watching. So I had to buy the makeup bag for this collection. This is what it looks like. It has like pigs all over it, and these are super cute, and it's really big, and I needed one anyways because I have a bunch of makeup bags, but they're all like pretty small, like that. Like it doesn't fit all my makeup, so I was like, it's cute and I need it, so that's an excuse to buy it, right? Okay, so let's open it. I have all my stuff in here. So I put like all my Jeffree Star stuff that I'm gonna be using today. So I have the setting spray, I have one of the glosses, another one of the glosses, I have a Skin Frost highlighter, I have a lip scrub. So apart from the bag, I got the two palettes. This is what it looks like. Let's just do the big one first. So this is the Conspiracy palette. It was just so hard to get. Like I dragged my husband and my baby to the mall yesterday morning at like 9:30. We went to the Morphe store here in Tampa. I mean, I figured there'd be a lot of people, but there was like a ton. There was like 200 people lined up. The line went all the way to the other side of the mall. At first, I was like, it's not worth it. Like, maybe I can just get it online. But no, we stayed strong. I was like, you know what? Like, it's gonna sell out online in a minute. I know it, and it's probably gonna crash the site because that always happens when there's like a new Jeffree Star launch. So I was like, let's just stay here. My husband took the baby to the play area, and they were there, and they went and got some food and then brought me some food back. So like, it wasn't that bad. So after 3 hours, we finally got into the Morphe store because they were letting in like 5 people at a time, and they were like letting them shop. I don't know why, but they were letting them take their time. So after those people were done, then they would let 5 new people in. So that's why it took so long. So they finally let us in, and of course I got the palette, the bag, and then as I was in the line, I just told my husband, like, look at the little one, it's really cute. It's like different colors than the other one. Like, might as well just get it. And he's like, okay, fine. Oh, and then I also got this P. Louise base. So you apply it on your eyelids and before eyeshadow, and then it makes your eyeshadows pop even more. I gotta get this so the eyeshadows look even better. That was crazy. And then literally we were in line at 10 and we got in at 1, which is when the makeup went on sale online. And yep, like I was right, it crashed pretty much the whole internet. Just kidding. But like it crashed their site, the Morphe site, everything was sold out, nobody could get it. So I do feel pretty lucky. So that's why I'm like proud of it. Maybe I should display it because it took me so long to get it. So it has a little sleeve, and you take it out, and this is what it looks like. At first I was like, kind of looks like the Blue Blood palette from Jeffree Star, but no, it's different. The only thing similar is these and the size, but no, it's really nice. It's really heavy, really sturdy. Oh. So these are the colors. Like at first I didn't get the color scheme. I was like, it kind of looks like it's all over the place, but I thought about it, and like up here you have all your neutrals, which you could use to like blend the crease, and if you're just looking for a simple eye look, you can use the top row, and the middle row is like all the bright shadows, like all the crazy ones, like this bright yellow, bright pink, bright red. And then down here you have all like the smoky shadows that you could use to smoke stuff out with. I mean, except this one. I don't know what they were thinking, but like it all makes sense. Like it looks good, and you literally have a shade for every occasion. Like if you want to go crazy, if you just want to tone it down a little bit, you could totally use this palette. So yeah, there's that one. I'll probably be using this one the most today. And then the little one is called Mini Controversy, and it's super cute. It's like static, like a TV. Like you can only see the colors when it's in the light. So it's super cool. Excuse all my mess on my desk. But yeah, this is more like blues, purples, and neutral shades, but you could still use it. You can make a full look out of this. You know what? Let's just start putting the base on my eyes. Like I said, I did my whole makeup except the eyes, so I'm gonna use it to prep them and to carve out my eyebrows. So I got the big version, like the one that's pretty popular. It's like half the size of this. It was cheaper to just get the big version, you know? Okay, I didn't apply a lot, so that's probably why it doesn't look that strong. I haven't been doing my makeup at all for the past year pretty much, because I've been so busy like being a mom and a wife, and so I feel like I kind of forgot all my skills. So just be patient with me. It's not gonna be perfect, but I'm gonna try my best. I'll just kind of do like a pink and red, so it kind of matches my shirt, my flamingo shirt. So I'm gonna start with this color. It has like a little pig in it. It's called Pigment. Let me take my Jeffree Star mirror. Oh yeah, this is also like one of the things I have bought from him, and I really like it. Okay, and I did hear that you have to do a super light hand with these, or else it's gonna go all over. And I mean, they're obviously really pigmented, so I just took a little bit of the shadow. Go crazy. I need to get out of my comfort zone, so I'm gonna take this. It looks red. It's called Flaming Hot, so it's like hot Cheetos, and I swatched it on my hand, and it's more pink than it is red, but we'll see how it goes on my eyes. I'm gonna put it on my crease a little bit lower. I'm gonna take the yellow, which is called Food Videos. So I'm gonna go with a darker shade. I'm gonna go with Sleep Paralysis. I think I'm gonna smoke it out with the black called My Right Here, and just smoke out the outer corner all the way. Oh, okay, today's just not my day. Some winged eyeliner, see if that helps it at all. It still looks kind of patchy. Let me just do the bottom lash line. I'm gonna take this shade called Illuminati. Okay, I think I'm just gonna take this same brush and pack the black on the top. I just need to work on my blending. Okay, so I put some eyeliner right down here and mascara. So let's just finish everything else, and then if we need to go back to the eyes, then we'll do that. I'm gonna set my face with the Dawson Jeffree Star setting spray. Oh man, it smells really good. It smells like strawberries. Then I'm gonna take the Skin Frost highlighter in Peach Goddess. I have this Jeffree Star mini velour liquid lipstick set, and I love this. I think it's so cute, but I haven't really used them, so I can try using one for this look since I couldn't get the lipsticks in this collection. I was planning on it, but they were all sold out at the Morphe store. Okay, I think I'll do this one. It's called Wifey. Ooh, okay, I need my mirror for this because I'm really bad at applying lipsticks. Okay, so I applied the lashes and I think I'm done with everything. I really do like this palette, but I feel like it wouldn't be good for beginners. I struggled with it, and I think it was just me, like I just haven't done a crazy dramatic look like this in a long time, so that was part of it. But also, like, the shimmer shades were kind of hard to blend, but the mattes were super nice. Like, I love those. Those were easy to blend. And I mean, that yellow pops. Oh wait, I didn't do my inner corners, so I gotta do that. And my brow bone. I'm gonna take this ranch shade. Just be creative. I tried my best to be creative, but I ended up just using black on the outer corners because I kind of ran out of ideas. This palette is just like, how many looks can you come up with? That's what it's about. So I was a little disappointed in myself on how I did, but I'm gonna keep working with this palette. Hopefully in a few weeks, in a few months, I can do like an amazing look. Also, like, I haven't been on YouTube that much or at all, really. And I want to, it's just been really hard. And I've been feeling sick. I'll do a separate video on that, like, in a few weeks. I want to get back to it. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day.